Hello, hello. I hope your day started off wonderful. We're going for a late brunch. I have been up all morning waiting, and I have to wait until some people are awake. I'm going to one of my favorite cafes for brunch, and then after that we go to the market to get fruits and veggies for the week. Ooh. But before, please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friend, and leave a comment below and tell me what you'd also like to see. Ooh. Ooh, cutie, cutie. Buen día. Sí, sí. Sí.
Gracias. Por nada.
Ok. Este pan es de Querétaro.
No, Guanajuato.
Este pan es de Guanajuato. I've never seen this one. Normally, the pan de muerto that is prepared around Dia de los Muertos is different. This for me is not traditional, but it is in Guanajuato.
It's called Anima.
Gracias. It's called Anima. Yeah. So here we're having our cake before we have our breakfast. Mm-hmm. Really? That's all you're going to take?
Yes.
It's really good.
Gracias. ¿Azúcar tienes? Sí. Voy por él. De cabra, ¿verdad? Cabra. Sí, cabra. You want the bacon one? Gracias.
Y un vaso más, por favor. ¿No hay? Gracias. And he didn't recommend anything. Oh, breakfast was good. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
What was the problem here?
You bacon, a little bit.
It took me 35 minutes to get my bagel. They make the dough, they let it rest, then they put it in the oven, then they let it rest, and they let me tell you, but their bagels are good, their food, their breakfast is good. So this business, I love them a lot. I know the owner, and not because I don't know the owner, but they started out small, they are growing, and they even hire more staff. But the staff, I want to say, is fucking up the orders for almost everybody that since I've been here for 35 minutes and more. Like, a guy ordered his coffee and was waiting. It took him forever, but the food is really good. Their breakfast is really good. We just finished having our breakfast. Now we're going for fruits and veggies at the market. Walking in the street because I'm a gangster like that. Hola, hola. The market is a family affair. It's a family affair. It's a family affair. caña. Es para
¿Quieres grabarlas? Ahí está Teresa.
Órale. ¿Por qué hay muchas abejas aquí?
Por la miel.
Uy, uy,
¡Órale!
órale.
Sí, buen día, joven.
Adiós, buen día.
Bye.
Oh,
Ay, qué bonito, ¿dónde lo compraste?
So we got everything we needed. We had brunch, and now we're heading back home. Just got up from a siesta, I guess, afternoon rest, and I'm taking my little chiquitin and the monstro for a walk before I have dinner, because if I start having dinner, they're going to bark, and I don't want to get up for my food. Zoila! Zoila. And the monster. Oh, yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Keep close.